Caliber is a tool that helps participants evaluate behavioral interview responses. Before reaching this dashboard, users complete onboarding, training, surveys, and a baseline evaluation without LLM assistance. From the dashboard, participants can begin grading their next assigned interview response. I'll select Begin Grading to start. Here, participants can see the behavioral interview question and the candidate response. At the top of the screen, they can also play an audio recording of the interviewee's response to assist them in grading. The transcript is pre-populated with LLM-generated highlights identifying possible situation, task, action, and result evidence. At any point, participants can also open the guide for additional help. It provides more information about the task requirements and process, so participants can reference the instructions as they work. The pre-populated highlights are suggestions and remain fully editable. For example, I can remove a highlight that I do not think belongs in a particular STAR category. I can also select new text in the transcript and add it as additional STAR evidence. Caliber also supports overlapping annotations. This means that when the same part of a response provides evidence for more than one STAR component, participants can assign multiple labels to the same text. Once satisfied with the annotations, I can move on to the next step, where participants score the quality of each STAR component individually. For each, they assign a score from 1 to 5 using the provided rubric. After completing the STAR scores, participants move on to the BARS evaluation, where they review the rating scale and select the score that best represents the overall quality of the response. The final step asks participants to indicate whether each STAR component is present in the response. Once all parts of the evaluation are complete, they can submit the question and continue. The participant then moves to question 2, where the same workflow is repeated. They review the transcript and annotations, make any necessary edits, complete the STAR scores, provide the BARS rating, and indicate which STAR components are present. If a STAR component has no highlighted evidence, participants confirm whether it is absent before continuing, and it is then shown as not present during STAR grading. After completing question 2, participants move directly to the next interview assessment and continue the same evaluation process. At any time, they can save their progress and return to the All Participants page to view their status or continue later. Once all interview assessments have been graded, participants finish the study by completing the final surveys and then submitting the session.